What's up YouTube? Dougie Chong here. Welcome to today's YouTube video where I'll just be giving a quick portfolio update. First of all, let me just talk about some general market conditions. Everything in the market seems to just be going up in a straight line right now. It makes it very hard to buy into the market, especially if you've been following my channel. I like to buy when stocks go down and not as stocks go up. That's why it's been very hard for me to add to my portfolio in recent days. The only holdings I hold right now are Facebook stock and VOO stock, which is an index fund of the S&P 500 index. I'll show the exact amounts of each stock in the public account a little later, but right now let me talk about one stock that I'm looking at adding to my portfolio. That stock is known as IRobot stock with the ticker symbol IRBT. A lot of you probably do not know of this company, but you probably know of one of its most popular products, the Roomba. Yes, that's right. The company IRobot makes the Roomba vacuum cleaner. If you've never heard of the Roomba vacuum cleaner, you probably should stay away from this stock. But basically, the Roomba vacuum cleaner is an automated vacuum cleaner that goes around your whole floor, bumps into walls, and vacuums it for you. Roomba is one of the most commonplace names and is the market leader in this category. I've explained in previous videos why being the market leader in any category and having a strong brand recognition is very important to success. This is especially true for Roomba vacuum cleaners, where the primary competition is no-name brands in China. As I mentioned earlier, most stocks are rising now. However, IRobot stock has been slowly going down. This is mainly due to some tariffs that have been put in production in China. As soon as these tariffs are lifted, their revenue will increase and their stock will go back up. However, if the tariffs remain, they will be forced to move production out of China. Here is a quote directly from a Motley Fool article that says how the 25% tariffs are likely to affect their U.S. revenue. Furthermore, while the market condition has been going up generally, in just recent days, it's been going slightly down due to the coronavirus situation in China. It's strange to me how a situation such as a disease can greatly affect the economy, but that's the way it goes. The only other thing I'll mention about IRobot stock is that it has an attractive PE ratio. The PE ratio is the price to earnings ratio. This means the stock price compared to how much profit the company makes. Its PE ratio right now is around 17, whereas an average company is around 20 or a little more. I think Facebook is currently hovering around 27 or even a little higher than 30 currently. So here are the current holdings in my public portfolio. There are 15 shares of Facebook stock and 5 shares of VOO, which is the S&P 500 index fund. The net liquidity of this portfolio is $100,195.25. This essentially means that all time I've made $195 on this portfolio so far. Keep in mind this portfolio is relatively new, so these gains are fairly small. Here are the 2 new orders I am placing on my account. One is for 10 more shares of VOO stock, and the other is for 20 shares of IRobot stock. The shares of VOO stock are bought for my dollar cost averaging strategy, where I bought 5 stocks previously, and I will buy 10 more stocks at this current price point. I'll show in my next video whether or not I get these orders filled. Again, with these market conditions, it's important to be patient and not rush anything, not go too heavy and buy too much of any one stock at this point in time. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you learned a lot about IRobot stock. Let me know what you think in the comments below.